What are you doing? Hmm. What do you want to do? What are you doing? What are you doing?
Like Harrison did.
What?
Like Harrison did.
Oh, like Harrison did? Oh, I see. Are you doing gymnastics? Oh, right. Like Harrison did. Uh-huh.
Also my suit.
How about if you sit on the suitcase?
No. Mommy.
You want to sit on Mommy's lap? Okay. You're going under Mommy's dress? Where's Brady? Brady, where are you? Oh, there you are. Did you have fun today?
Okay.
Okay, you got your hat on? Did you have fun today? What are you doing, putting the phone away? Thank you. Oh, good job. You put the phone away. Mm-hmm. Did you have fun today? Big guy? Was today Brady's birthday? Today was Brady's second birthday. Did you have fun? With all your cousins? Yeah? Alright, let's go night-night, okay?
Where's Mama and Grandpa?
Mama and Grandpa are in Nevada. Where's Brady? What happened?
Baba.
Do you want to call Grandpa and Mama? Not really sure if that answers it.